And we're back, baby. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna replace my rear vents, AC vents, I guess you can call them. So basically these guys right here, because mine were well, mine are kinda busted. Well, when I bought the vehicle, I don't know if they had like either a dog or maybe they have their kids in the back playing with that, but let me show you right there. Pretty much busted. Yeah, not good. So yes, so this is gonna be the plan for today. I'm gonna have to take this thing out, take these guys out, and then I'm gonna have to figure one more thing, because, well, I don't know if you guys can see right there, but this is straight. Yep, this is, you know, this white line is straight here. So this vent, I got it from AliExpress, you know, China. Well, let me show you right there. You guys see that? It is crooked. Not a lot, but it's enough where I'm noticing it and it is bugging me. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys, you know, trying to call it. This is gonna be the plan for today. So I have to figure out, either take this wheel out of here and put the one from there to here, or vice versa, or maybe change these flaps here to the ones there. We're gonna figure it out, I guess, as we go. So let me set you up, guys, and so I can show you how we're gonna remove this back panel. It's actually pretty easy. I believe it's like 6 screws or so. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, so like I said, it should be super easy. So right here on the bottom, you take this rubber pad. There must be 2 hoses for some screws right in there. So let me see what type of a star it is, because I'm pretty sure it's a star. And let's take those 2 out and I'll show you up close. Like I said, star T20. One is out. I got 1 screw. The other one is there, but yeah. So now when we get it out, it's supposed to just pull down to make sure there's no more screws. Pretty sure there's gonna be a tab right here that needs to be pulled down. That's how the instruction were saying, you know, just rip it from the top, you know. So the 2 screws are right there in that corner. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys, can't really see it. So we have 2 more of the T20s right in the 2 corners on the top. So 1 there, 1 more. That should be it. And now we should, yep, just pull it straight out slowly, because right here in the back we have electrical connections. You guys can see right there goes the cable. There is a tab that needs to be pulled out. There we go. So this is out. Let's see. Okay, we got this connected. Then slowly we can pull this guy away. This is my ladder right there on the bottom. What else? That's it. And I need to find my other screw. This is my rear controller. This is my ladder. And I believe this is if you have heated seats. Right here is if you have the DVD player, which I don't have. This is gonna be easier to clean with the vacuum. Got it all assembled. So now let's go and see how we're gonna get this wheel or the other one, see how we're gonna fix it. Okay, guys, so we have the old one and we have the new one. Seems like the original one has like a rubber gasket, you know, so when you close it, it actually seals the hole. And the China ones, it's just plastic all the way around. So let's see if I'm gonna be able to assemble this guy first. Oh, I guess I can. And then this wheel should just, it was some kind of spring. Great. So what do you guys think? Should I just replace this So I can change all the flaps. These guys right there, you know, just change them all. I really think it's just the easiest way it would be if I just replace the middle wheel. Guess we're gonna find out. Okay. Whew. This one doesn't have the spring. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it didn't have the spring. So, and the spring goes right there. There you go. You guys can see. So now this just slides there. In my understanding, this thing connects right there. Now I can actually even put the old one if I want. I'm wondering if there's gonna be any chance to change the. Oh, yes, there is. Okay, guys. Well, let's see. This is the new one. We'll leave that one aside. So check this out. I'm gonna take this out right there. And now I should be able to pull out these guys. And I'll show the difference and why I wanna use the old ones. So you guys can see right there, this is like a rubber. This guy came from this side. So now we're gonna go to the new one, which is right here. Pull out this tab and then it's ridiculous. So let me show you, this is the one from China, and obviously plastic all the way around. Or this one, you guys can see it's more rubbery, but this guy should be like that. Okay, I see. This one is smaller than this guy right there. So now I need to make this a little bit thinner, be able to slide into the hole. Let me show you this guy right there. Yeah, you guys see? Doesn't want to go in. Where this guy sits right there. Maybe I should make this hole bigger, huh? What do you guys think? Let's make this hole bigger. Okay, guys, it's a tricky one, but we got it in. There is a notch here. Let's put the wheel. This way. Now this lever right there. So this is closed. Now coming to here. This one is closed. Both of them are closed. So now we just align them. Okay. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. What? We got it. Awesome. Let's go and let's put this bad boy back. Okay guys, so let me show you right here in the back. Be careful not to break these tabs. Looks like I already broke this guy and this guy and this guy and this guy. Oh my gosh. Okay, broke a bunch of them. So now this should slide just like that, I guess. You get first the bottom or the top. I guess it's a preference, however you guys want it. Thinking the bottom should be, there we go, there we go. Come on, it's not like the best, you know, fitment, but yeah. Man, I broke all the tabs. I don't know if I broke them or they just came, you know, loose. Look at that, guys. Boom. It's perfect. Left, right. Left, right, down, up. Awesome. Yeah, careful with the tabs, guys. Super flimsy, unreal. I need to connect this guy there and we should be good to go. Yeah, and my ladder on the bottom as well. Okay, let's put everything back together. Okay guys, so before I put everything all together, I just want to show you. Yeah, there is a tab right there. Just stuck right there. I want to show because you can't really see them. This is, you know, when you remove the rubber pad, this one right there, this is where the screw goes, and then on this side this is where the other screw goes, right there. Okay, and then when you drop it down like that, then you have one screw right there and a second screw right there, and that's about it. Yeah, super easy. Let me put it real quick for you guys. For me, it's gonna be slowly. Okay guys, well, we've done it. Another project done, another success. Can't believe it. You know, I'm getting it fixed slowly but surely. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Well, I'll see you on the next one.